Hey guys, so Windchime Lover and Mr. Christmas Lover just uploaded a new video where he's using the Merlin Bird ID app. So I'm gonna be taking a look at this.
Hey guys.
I'm just looking at all the other apps he's got here. I've heard of this game before. Mail, just fitness. I don't know what that is. Freeform. Google Journal. I don't even know a lot of these. Paramount Plus. Oh, Disney Plus. Oh, fuck no. Just no. No. I do not do Disney anymore. Just no. All right. Well. Anyways, let's just look into it.
So there's a lot of birds calling at my grandma's house
Yeah,
right now,
hear that.
so
I think a Carolina wren is one I'm hearing.
I figured we
Yeah, I'm hearing a Carolina wren. Those little things are loud for such small birds.
would use the Merlin Bird ID app and see
I think I also heard a song sparrow.
what all it captures. So let me put it down. I'm just gonna
Yeah, the Carolina wren is the one I'm hearing the most.
lay the phone right there.
Yeah, and the song
Now,
sparrow.
here we go.
Black-throated green warbler. I would love to see one of those.
Oh,
Yep, I heard the cardinal.
we have a cardinal already. Gold.
Yep, I heard the song sparrow. Now the goldfinch, I didn't pick up on that. I heard the cardinal and I heard the song sparrow, but the goldfinch, no, I didn't hear that.
Goldfinch, song sparrow.
Yep, I was waiting for it to. I was waiting for it to pull up the Carolina wren.
What else came up? Carolina wren.
I didn't hear a tufted titmouse, which is funny because that's another one that's usually very loud. Had a really had a really loud titmouse in my yard yesterday. Was it was just calling constantly because a barred owl showed up and it was pissed off about that. I got some pictures of the barred owl too. I'll have to make a post about it. It was really cool.
Titmouse.
I heard a red-billed woodpecker, so let's see if that comes up. Yep, there it is. I knew it was gonna pull that one up. I heard that one right away.
Oh wow, it's capturing a lot.
Yep, I hear the song sparrow.
And
I didn't hear a blue jay.
yes, the neighbors next door has chickens. So I wonder if it can capture what kind of chickens those are.
Considering they're not wild and they're domesticated. They're 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 chickens that were specifically bred to be domesticated and just for their egg laying or meat whatever they're raised for. So I doubt it's going to pick up domesticated birds, but we'll see. Yeah, the song sparrow stands out like a sore thumb between that and the Carolina wren.
It may only be.
I didn't hear the chickadee. Okay.
This may only work on birds that are native here, though. It may not work
Yeah, that's another thing I was going to say too.
on roosters and whatnot.
What is that message? Maybe you don't know about this. I'm a pop pug. What the? Okay, I'm not gonna waste all my time questioning that.
And,
Hold up, is that a, what am I hearing?
and yes,
Did he bring his chimes of earth with him?
that is the wind blowing in the background. That's my
I thought
grandma's
I had the
chimes of
Empire
earth.
Woodpecker again. Hold on, what did he say?
That's chimes of earth.
It is the chimes of earth. Okay. Now I'm not hearing anything. Need the birds. I heard the cardinal, but I hear the cardinal just fine, but I don't hear the chickadee. Okay, yeah, I heard that cardinal again. Why am I not hearing the chickadee? Okay, I heard a goldfinch. Yep, and it even shows it right there. I heard that, and I heard the song sparrow. Oh, a flicker? I didn't hear that. That's one I don't see or hear very often where I am. They're in my backyard, but they're just not around all the time. Yep. I heard the cardinal and the goldfinch, but still not the chickadee. What the hell? Yep, I hear the goldfinch. Yeah, the all of the birds that have shown up so far are birds that I have in my backyard. The- These are all birds that my backyard gets. Yep, heard the song sparrow and the Carolina wren. Yep. Okay, again, I didn't hear the blue jay. Let me go back. Okay, that time I heard it. Okay, I had to listen closer, but I heard it that time. Heard someone's rooster, but yeah, it's not pulling that up. I figured it wouldn't. Yep, I heard the cardinal. Okay, that time I heard the chickadee. That time I heard it. Ah, damn it, didn't even pause it.
Oh, the blue jay. Oh,
I
robin
heard the
finally
robin.
come up.
Yep, I hear the robin. And the wren.
Yeah, you probably just heard that rooster call and it didn't pick it up, so it may only work on native birds. What in the world? I just heard a toad call. It's only
I heard the red-bellied woodpecker.
10:53 in the morning. Why are they calling already? They're supposed to be at night.
Now, what rule is there saying that they have to be out at night? Animals are gonna do what animals are going to do. You may see certain ones out at unusual times, or just their behavior may seem unusual, or you may see an animal outside of its usual range. They're gonna do what they want to do. They don't go by any rules. Just because toads are usually out at night doesn't mean that it's a rule that they just have to be out at night. They'll come out whenever they want to come out. So if one of the toads decides it wants to come out early in the morning, it'll come out early in the morning. There's no rule against it, so I'm just saying. like that owl I saw yesterday. It wasn't fully dark yet when that owl came out. I mean, it was dark enough. It was already late, so I mean, I guess it wasn't completely out at its unusual time. But I'm just saying. Yep, I hear the song sparrow. Hear the cardinal.
Oh,
Oh, so it actually did pick up on the rooster. But of course it did. But of course it just brought up a wild species. It just brought up the closest it could find because the red jungle fowl. I think that's where our domesticated chickens come from. I think the chickens that we have are usually just domesticated breeds of the red jungle fowl, or at least it's just the closest relative to our domestic chickens. So yeah, even though it wasn't a red jungle fowl calling, This was just the closest to it that the Merlin app could pull up. Because again, it doesn't. Because again, I don't think it picks up on domestic birds. So it just pulled up a wild relative.
wow. It did pick up the rooster. You see that? Red jungle fowl. Huh. I wonder why it took it that long to.
Oh well, you were saying before that you think it might only pick up on native birds. There's a non-native one for you, the European starling, because those are not native. They have European in their name for a reason. I think the way they got to North America in the first place, if I remember correctly, I think they hitchhiked on ships. I think they got into ships that traveled from Europe to America, and then they got loose. I could be completely wrong. That's just what I remember hearing about them. But yeah, but people are trying to get rid of these because they're highly invasive. Because they do a lot of property damage and they compete with native species for territory and stuff like that. And I think they even destroy the eggs of native birds. So yeah, people are trying to get rid of them. It is kind of sad though because I mean they didn't just they're not trying to be destructive. They're just trying to survive like any other animal, and yet people keep hating on them. That's the thing that I always makes me sad about invasive species. It's just when people always just give them so much hate, and it just always leaves me going. Okay, first off, it's not even their fault that they're here, and second, they're just trying to survive. So just I don't know, just show them a little bit more grace for crying out loud, people. Just uh, honestly though, I hate it when people get mad at animals. Anyways, you know, just people always calling wild animals a nuisance, which is not fair because we always complain about them destroying our stuff and encroaching on their and just they're always encroaching on their turf. No, we encroached on their turf. They were here first. These animals are just trying to survive. Just they're just trying to survive in what's left of what was originally theirs. So yeah.
Hear it. European starling?
I don't know what the red circle there means.
I hear a dove far away, but I don't think the phone's picking.
Oh wow, an Eastern meadowlark. Wasn't really expecting that one to come up. I hear those every so often at school. Never actually seen one though. I've never seen an Eastern meadowlark. I have seen Western meadowlarks though when I lived in California. Those I have seen, but not an Eastern meadowlark. Even though they are where I live. I mean, I've heard them though, but just never. Yeah.
It up because it's too far.
Yep, I hear the robin and the song sparrow. Now the starling I didn't hear.
Let's go around to the back side of her house and see what it picks up now. That rooster, it captured it again.
Okay, I heard the titmouse. At least I thought I heard one. Merlin, I didn't pick it up that time. I picked up the song sparrow, and yeah, I heard the I heard the cardinal and the song sparrow. Okay, that time it picks
I
up
just heard the
the mouse.
toad again. Did you hear it?
No,
I held the phone closer to it. I don't know if you heard it or not.
no.
That's weird. It's daytime. All right, we're here. We're in the backyard now. Let's see what kind of birds it can find back here. Probably a lot of the same ones.
Probably. Yeah, the cardinal again, the tufted titmouse. Oh, I heard the red-bellied woodpecker. That was clear as
Is
daylight.
that a black? That's one of those. What are those blackbirds called? I heard that. It was like blop. I can't do it.
What
Um,
blackbird? You mean
crowbird, I think is what it's called. Yeah,
an American crow?
not a regular crow, but a small one.
You mean like a fish crow? I mean, yeah, I think Virginia has those. So if you thought, yeah, maybe a fish crow. I know my school has those pretty much all the time. So, and I'd want to say Virginia has them too. I'd have to look at the range map again though.
I think they're called like crowbirds or something.
If you're talking about, well, the crows that we usually have are are just the American crows. But if you see a smaller one, then you're most likely seeing a fish crow. So I think you're talking about a fish crow. I heard the titmouse. Oh, yep, I heard the woodpecker. I wonder if it'll pick. I wonder if the crow will call again and it'll actually pick it up. I'm still wondering what the red circle means. What is going on with that?
That is here. Oh wow! I thought I just heard the neighbor say something over there, like "shut up" to the rooster. It could have just been me though.
Yep, heard the cardinal.
Well, I think I'm gonna just end the video here. Bye.